Welcome to Boundless Baggage, where we take you on immersive journeys to the world's most remarkable destinations. From historic cities to breathtaking natural landscapes, our mission is to ignite your wanderlust and guide you through the boundless wonders our planet has to offer. Today, we're embarking on an adventure to Italy, a country renowned for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes that promise an unforgettable journey. Get ready to explore a land where ancient ruins, world-class art, and picturesque countryside blend seamlessly to create a travel experience like no other. Discover Italy, a journey through history, art, and natural beauty. Prepare yourself for an extraordinary adventure as we traverse the diverse landscapes of Italy, a country where history is alive in every corner, culture thrives in every city, and nature's beauty is on full display. From the ancient streets of Rome to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy is a nation that offers something for every traveler. Whether you're captivated by its historical landmarks, drawn to its artistic masterpieces, or eager to savor its culinary delights, Italy promises a journey that will both enrich and inspire. So sit back, relax, and get ready to uncover the myriad wonders of this captivating country. Our exploration begins in Rome, the Eternal City, where history and modernity coexist in a mesmerizing blend. Rome is a city that wears its past proudly, with every street and square echoing the grandeur of ancient times. Our first stop is the Colosseum, the iconic amphitheater that once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. As we walk through its ancient arches, we'll imagine the roar of the crowd and the epic battles that took place in this arena nearly 2,000 years ago. Next, we'll visit the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome and the center of its political, commercial, and religious life. The ruins of temples, basilicas, and public spaces offer a glimpse into the daily life of a civilization that shaped the course of history. Nearby, the Palatine Hill, the legendary birthplace of Rome, provides stunning views of the city and a peaceful retreat from the bustling streets below. Our journey through Rome culminates with a visit to Vatican City, the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. We'll explore St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture, and marvel at Michelangelo's awe-inspiring frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. The Vatican Museums, with their vast collection of art and antiquities, offer a journey through the history of Western civilization from ancient Egypt to the Renaissance. Leaving the historical heart of Rome, our journey takes us north to the enchanting region of Tuscany, where the landscape itself is a masterpiece. Our first stop is Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance and a city that has inspired artists, writers, and thinkers for centuries. We'll begin our exploration at the Piazza del Duomo, where the magnificent Florence Cathedral, with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline. Inside, we'll admire the intricate marble floors, stained glass windows, and the stunning frescoes of The Last Judgment by Vasari and Zuccari. Next, we'll visit the Uffizi Gallery, home to one of the most important collections of Renaissance art in the world. Here, we'll stand in awe before masterpieces by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael. As we wander through the gallery's halls, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the artistic genius that flourished in Florence during the Renaissance. Afterward, we'll cross the Ponte Vecchio, the oldest bridge in Florence, famous for its jewelry shops that have lined the bridge since the 16th century. As we stroll along the Arno River, we'll take in the picturesque views of the city's bridges and historic buildings. Our visit to Florence wouldn't be complete without a climb to the top of Piazzale Michelangelo, where we'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city and the surrounding hills. Our journey through Tuscany continues with a visit to the charming town of Siena, known for its medieval architecture and the famous Palio horse race. We'll explore the Piazza del Campo, one of the most beautiful squares in Italy, where the Palio takes place twice a year. The square is dominated by the Palazzo Pubblico, the town hall, and its soaring Torre del Mangia, which offers breathtaking views of the city and the Tuscan countryside. Next, we'll visit the town of San Gimignano, often called the medieval Manhattan for its skyline of towers that rise above the rolling hills. As we wander through the narrow streets of this perfectly preserved medieval town, we'll feel like we've stepped back in time. We'll visit the Collegiate Church of San Gimignano, known for its frescoes depicting scenes from the Old and New Testaments, and sample the town's famous Vernaccia wine, a crisp white wine that has been produced here since the Renaissance. Leaving the picturesque landscapes of Tuscany behind, our journey takes us to Venice, the city of canals, where every corner reveals a new and breathtaking view. Venice is a city like no other, where the streets are made of water and the buildings seem to float on the surface. Our first stop is St. Mark's Square, the heart of the city, where we'll visit St. Mark's Basilica, a stunning example of Byzantine architecture. Inside, we'll be dazzled by the glittering mosaics that cover the walls and ceilings, depicting scenes from the life of Christ and the history of Venice. Next, we'll explore the Doge's Palace, the former residence of the Doge of Venice and the seat of the Venetian government. As we wander through its opulent rooms and grand halls, we'll uncover the rich history of the Venetian Republic and its rise as a major maritime and trading empire. We'll also walk across the famous Bridge of Sighs, which connects the palace to the prison, and imagine the last glimpse of Venice that prisoners would have seen before their confinement. No visit to Venice would be complete without a gondola ride through its winding canals. As we glide past centuries-old palaces, churches, and hidden courtyards, we'll experience the romance and charm of this unique city. Our adventure continues with a visit to the island of Murano, renowned for its glassmaking tradition. Here, we'll watch master glassblowers craft intricate works of art using techniques passed down through generations. Our journey through Italy continues with a visit to the Amalfi Coast, one of the most beautiful and dramatic coastlines in the world. We'll start in the town of Positano, where colorful houses cling to the cliffs above the sparkling blue sea. As we wander through its narrow streets, lined with boutiques and cafes, we'll be captivated by the charm of this picture-perfect town. We'll also visit the town of Amalfi, where the impressive Cathedral of St. Andrew stands as a testament to the town's glorious past as a maritime republic. Next, we'll explore the island of Capri, a favorite destination of emperors and celebrities alike. We'll take a boat ride around the island to see the famous Blue Grotto, a sea cave where the sunlight creates an ethereal blue glow. We'll also visit the town of Anacapri, perched high above the sea, where we'll take a chairlift to the top of Mount Solaro for breathtaking views of the island and the Bay of Naples. Our adventure through Italy wouldn't be complete without a visit to Pompeii, the ancient city that was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. As we walk through the ruins of this once thriving city, we'll be transported back in time to the days of the Roman Empire. We'll see the remains of houses, temples, and public baths, and marvel at the well-preserved frescoes that adorn the walls. The plaster casts of the victims, frozen in their final moments, serve as a poignant reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life. As our journey through Italy comes to a close, we can't help but be amazed by the incredible diversity and depth of this country. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the Renaissance treasures of Florence, and from the romantic canals of Venice to the sun-soaked shores of the Amalfi Coast, Italy has captivated our hearts at every turn. It's a land where history, art, and nature come together in a way that's truly unique. Every region has its own story to tell, and every adventure here leaves you with memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable exploration of Italy. We hope this journey through historic cities, artistic masterpieces, and stunning landscapes has ignited your wanderlust and inspired your next adventure. If you've enjoyed this immersive experience, be sure to subscribe to Boundless Baggage, your ultimate travel companion for discovering the world's most remarkable destinations. But our adventure doesn't end here. Next, we're setting off to explore the diverse and captivating lands of Sweden, the Netherlands, and Egypt. We'll delve into the serene landscapes and cutting-edge design of Sweden, explore the artistic heritage and picturesque canals of the Netherlands, and uncover the ancient wonders and vibrant culture of Egypt. Each of these countries offers its own unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, promising a journey that will be as enriching as it is unforgettable. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready to pack your bags for another extraordinary adventure. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and let your wanderlust lead the way with Boundless Baggage. Your next unforgettable journey awaits.